Hello friends, welcome to the Pulse of Nature family. Today, I'm taking you into the world of creatures who live deep in the forests, inspiring respect with their imposing appearance, but are also surprisingly gentle and intelligent. Get ready to meet gorillas. These magnificent representatives of strength and grace might just make you rethink everything you thought you knew about them. Are you ready? Because the pulse of nature is now beating for gorillas. Yes, here on Pulse of Nature, we're together again to explore the wonders of nature. And today we're going to get a closer look at these massive yet incredibly gentle inhabitants of the forests, gorillas. We'll talk about their lives, their social structure, and unfortunately, the threats they face. It's going to be an informative and fascinating journey. Gorillas are the largest members of the primate order. They can weigh up to 200 kilograms, around 440 pounds, and stand up to 1.70 meters, about 5.6 feet, tall when upright. But beneath this imposing physique lies a quite complex and interesting life. They live in the dense forests of Central Africa. There are fundamentally two main species, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. These species also have subspecies. For example, the famous mountain gorillas are a subspecies of the eastern gorilla and have a very limited habitat. Like humans, gorillas are social animals. They live in family groups, and these groups are called troops. The leader of the troop is usually the dominant male, known as the silverback. The silver-colored fur on his back symbolizes his maturity and strength. Among the silverback leader's most important duties are protecting the troop, finding food sources, and maintaining order within the group. His decisions are generally followed by the rest of the troop. The group includes female gorillas and their young. Infants are strongly attached to their mothers and spend their first years playing and exploring their surroundings. Gorillas are primarily herbivores. Leaves, shoots, fruits, and insects are their main food sources. They can be quite selective eaters, and foraging for food takes up a large part of their day. Perhaps one of their most surprising aspects is their intelligence. Gorillas can show limited skill in using tools. For example, they might use stick pieces to measure the depth of a water pool or to clean leaves from a specific plant. They also have a wide communication repertoire. They communicate with each other using various sounds, facial expressions, and body language. Chest beating is one of their most well-known behaviors, but it's often a display of strength or excitement rather than necessarily a sign of threat or challenge. They are generally calm and peaceful animals. They prefer to avoid conflict. However, when their troop or young are in danger, the silverback leader will defend them with incredible courage and power. Unfortunately, the fascinating world of gorillas faces significant threats. Human activities are causing their habitats to shrink. As forests are converted into agricultural lands, settlements, or mining sites, gorillas are left with nowhere to live. Poaching also poses a serious threat to gorillas. Their meat, bones, or baby gorillas fall victim to illegal trade. Diseases can also negatively impact gorilla populations. For all these reasons, most gorilla species and subspecies are listed as endangered or critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. This means urgent steps must be taken for their protection. Habitat protection projects, anti-poaching efforts, raising awareness among local communities, and preventing illegal trade are vital for the future of gorillas. Each of our contributions to conservation efforts is a ray of hope for the survival of these magnificent creatures. Today, we took a short journey into the world of these powerful yet gentle giants of the forests, gorillas. We've seen once again how intelligent, social, and vulnerable they are. Let's not forget that recognizing, understanding, and protecting these creatures with whom we share our planet is everyone's responsibility. I hope this video has provided you with new information about gorillas and increased your interest in these amazing animals. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share your comments, and most importantly, Don't forget to subscribe to the Pulse of Nature channel to follow the pulse of nature. See you on our next nature adventure as we explore another living creature or natural phenomenon. May the pulse of nature be with you. Goodbye for now.